there is no doubt a guidance for those conscious of Allah. Allah says that Surah Muhammad, chapter number 47, verses number 24. أَفَلَا يَتَدَبَّرُونَ الْقُرْآنَ أَمْ عَلَى قُلُوبٍ أَقْفَالُهَا. Then today, not to reflect upon the Quran. What are their works upon their hearts? The command to people to reflect and ponder upon the Quran and prohibiting them from turning away from it means that indeed Allah's upon some house firmly closing, so that, oh my Lord, forgive us the tawfiq of the Holy Quran reciting. Ameen.